imagine that retardees don't know much about Robbie. I know that he is a fucking goddamn douchebag, and I'd try and not to love him. And I know I love you, cause you watch me here on YouTube, and you don't send goddamn fucking pigs to my house. Don't know much about my mommy. She's a fucking pathetic piece of shit. That goddamn cunt should be put down by lethal injection. I'm not totally cruel. I've actually got Asperger's and other syndromes that tell me about my good memory is a fucked up thing to have. If I was to be totally honest, and I could do this because I'm practiced, let me show you something amazing.